Hey guys, welcome back. I am jumping over to my computer really quick to get some stuff shared, and we are going to dry this hair and give us a nice little at-home blowout using the blow dry brush from FoxyBae. So I'm gonna wait for some people to hop on, and let's see here. Let me go here. Oh, seriously. These little things that make you click all the pictures before you hop on or before you go on your website, I'm like, seriously? Hey, Allie. Hey, Maricela. Welcome, friends. All right, I'm going to give you guys the details, the 411 on how to get this sucker for free. Let me go to this button right here. Okay, here we go. All right, we're going to wait for some people to hop on. Let me get this shared really quick myself. And that is not the right thing. Let me mute that. And then here we go. Share. Done. Hey, Lindsay. Welcome. Thanks for sharing. All right. So here's how you're going to get a free blow dry brush today. Okay. This is how we're going to make it happen. Oh my word. Y'all. Here we go. Here we go. All right. So, hey, Susan. All right. So today is Mega Monday with FoxyBae. And if you guys have never shopped a Mega Monday sale, let me tell you something. You need to make sure you shop on Mondays. Always go to my link on Mondays and see what's up, because today and today only, and it's while supplies last, when you purchase the Wavy Baby Triple Waver, you get this for free. Okay. So the Wavy Baby Triple Waver is $99. When you purchase that, you get this for free. For free. Okay? Like, that's like a $300 value that you're getting for like $99. Actually, it might be more than that. I'm terrible at math. But, hey, Natalie. Hey, Shelby. But, you guys, I'm telling you, don't pass up on this Mega Monday deal, because I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be something else, and then they switched it to this or something. I don't even know. Maybe I wrote it down backwards. But, like, I'm telling you something. I'm telling you something. This is, I got a silk scrunchie in, and I freaking love this thing. Oh, all right. I also have naturally curly hair, but it's also been up in a messy bun, so it is wet. We did take a shower, and I am going to go in with the Cool AF Heat Protectant Spray. Remember, you can do 2 for $26 and save on your hair care. And I did use the Always Sassy, Never Brassy purple shampoo in my hair, too, which you can see it is super blonde, super blonde. And I'm going to brush this through really quick, and then we're going to use this blow dry brush. So I love these things, you guys. If y'all want a blowout at home, this is the way to do it. And also, you don't have to use it on wet hair. If you want to let your hair air dry, let's say you like to sleep with wet hair, I used to be that girl, then you can let your hair dry, wake up in the morning, and then give yourself a blowout. I look like a wet dog. Sorry, I thought my eyelash was coming off. I had to fix it. All right, so here we go. Here we go. So like I said, you can get this for free right now. For free when you purchase the Wavy Baby Triple Waver. So the link above is going to take you exactly where you need to be to that sale page so that you can take advantage of this. Let me tell you something. If you have a little, this makes a great Easter gift. If you've got somebody with a birthday coming up, 2-for-1 deal, you guys, you get this for free. For free. All right, here we go. Oh, Sydney. Oh, that was a heck of a knot. All right, why am I breaking my hair off? Oh, because it was halfway looped up into my messy bun. All right, here we go. You've got on, cool, 1 and 2. So you've got a couple different settings. We're going to turn her all the way up. I'm going to have to scoot back. My chair's in the way. Okay, here we go. So like I said, you get this for free when you purchase the Triple Waver Iron. And that is $99 on sale with my link. So usually way more than knots in my hair today. Holy moly. Insane. All right, so I will say when I use this, I do prefer my hair to be a little bit on the drier side. I like my hair to kind of air dry just a little bit before I go in with the blow dryer. And then it's so good and so easy. And I love this also because it's got all the rose gold details to it, which I love. No kidding. I feel like I would have actually, I mean, look at that. Where's my mirror? Like, I feel like I would have enjoyed like drying my hair as a kid because I wouldn't get so tired. Look at that, y'all. And the volume that it gives you at your root. Oh, so good. So there is one side dry and practically straight. Look at, I mean, y'all, so freaking good. And you get this for free right now when you grab the Wavy Baby triple waver. And like I said, even if you don't want to keep that for yourself, give it as a gift. Because you get both of these for only $99. Like, yes, please. Yes, please. God, I swear the landscapers live outside my room. Like their favorite place to do landscaping. Hello, guys. Hey, Hope. Make sure y'all share when y'all hop on. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this so much. Like, all right, and then I'm going to it's so good. It's so good. And obviously, you guys, my hair feels so silky smooth from the Always Sassy Never Brassy shampoo. It has that 12-in-1 blend in it. So it's got all of those oils that really rejuvenate your hair. And then I also have the Cool AF Heat Protectant. So you guys, that's one layer done. Look at that. Oh, and my hair's growing so much. Ugh. If y'all weren't around last fall, I chopped all my hair off. Okay, so let's go in with another layer. And I do find that layers do work best with this. Like sectioning your hair and doing, can you see some of those super icy spots? I don't know if you can, but like some of these really picked up that Always Sassy Never Brassy purple shampoo and they are icy. Icy, icy. And I have not had my hair done in, I don't know if you can tell how icy it is. Can you see in some spots how icy that is? Whew, it's an intense purple shampoo. I love it so much. I haven't had my hair done in, this is 15 weeks this week. And I mean, that's pretty impressive for a blonde. Pretty impressive. All right. Let's go in. And I do both the top and the bottom. Just twist. And you can give yourself a nice blowout at home without having to go to the salon. Oh, the volume that it gives is just something else, man. Oh, so good. All right, let's do the back here. I also like how this really isn't too loud. I'm getting my hair done on Saturday and I'm so excited I'm gonna get the purple shampoo and conditioner to help. Yes, y'all, when I tell you it's really good, I actually was super hesitant because a lot of purple shampoos, like, they're not all created equal, okay? A lot of them will turn your hair purple or they will turn your hair blue. And I don't want purple or blue hair. I just want icy blonde hair. And it's so good. And remember, Even though those are brand new products, they did add those to the 2 for $26 sale. So you can actually get both of them for $26. Oh, look at that volume. Absolutely crazy. All right. I'm just mind blown. I'm mind blown at how well this works. And that icy blonde hair is so good. So good. All right. I'm not trying to make it perfectly straight. I just kind of want some body and some volume. And then, look at this. Like, the volume that it gives you, and my hair is so soft, you guys. So, like I said, I use the Always Sassy Never Brassy Purple Shampoo and Conditioner, and then the Cool AF Heat Protectant. All right, so now we're gonna brush through the top, and we're gonna run the dryer through it. I'm actually gonna do like a sideways part here, and turn her on. And what I love about it is that it really gets super close to your root, so you actually get a pretty good amount of volume on this. I'm not going anywhere. I just needed to wash my hair. Some knots in here that are not wanting to cooperate. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, so good. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I cannot really see, but we're gonna grab like pieces and pull this back. This is also from FoxyBae too, you guys. Their entire everything is like pink and rose gold, and I love it so much. Like, I cannot wait to have everything because I love all things pink and rose gold. Oh my goodness, it keeps getting stuck on my chair. Okay, let's brush through this. I kind of do it messy because I want to see my volume. And then I also want to see if there's anywhere else. Can y'all see how icy this is? In certain places, like, oh my gosh, some places are way more icy than others, and I freaking love it. I love it so much. Okay, I'm going to, like, look at that hair color. Oh, so good. All right, let's touch up some places. Look at that. It looks so good. Okay, let's look at this volume for a minute, you guys, because this is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. The volume that this gives you. Like, look at that in the front. Oh, it's so, so good. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm either going to let it set or I might run a straightener over it because I do want to keep it kind of straight today. But I don't know, I'm kind of living for this volume. It's so freaking good. So I'm going to hop off of here and kind of get my life together. But remember, you guys, this is free today only. When you purchase the Wavy Baby Triple Waver, you're going to get this for free. So it's a $99 price tag for both of these right now. Don't miss out on this. Go get it because, I mean, y'all look. It looks so good. So good. As my hair gets caught in my lip gloss every single time I do that. Oh, I love it so, so much. It looks so good. So I'm going to hop off here. If you guys have any questions, you can always drop it in the comments or shoot me a message either way. But the link to shop is above. Go grab yours. Let me know when you get it. I want to see what you think about it. Bye, guys.